Shubor nakaslem Jong Nongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba Akajala Conrad Sangma Habakren Bat Kinong Tho Khubor Uloong Baka National People's Party Kalong Kaseng Kabayale Vincent Shah Rinti Ha Ka Imlang Salang Bat Kamdon Kanu Kajingmut Jong Kajingsen Shah Mahakli Do Uloong Ba Pila Banyo I Babon na Padeng Kinu Kijingja Kandon Bet Kajingpen Bet Kabalaya Perkhat Baha Shwaban Shim Kanu Karai Da Kabakado Baha Kajingilang Kabalalong Hajanti Hills Uloong bakaseng kadon hok ban kren ya kanu kabaki day ban wanra. Watla da kamut ba omla ban so ya ha. Uloong ba uba Vincent pala ha kajing shisha ude ban pet ye Jingduna hapo kaseng la de ka Congress. Da ka ba pentik na yo banum don kajing kuslai ya Jingduna ha ka NPP. Ha ka bay day bat kajing jiet kertong uban mi khmat na kaseng banikon ye election MP shiteng samoy. U Conrad uloong Baki MLE ki badai ki nong vote kin sa shong banshim ya karai.
We have been very clear that when it comes to the National People's Party, we are very democratic in our process. There is no concept of high command coming in and bulldozing a decision. You will see that in most of the issues and cases that are there is always a very positive, critical and a constructive discussion that takes place before we finalize on anything. And yes, in that meeting, we'll say everything that we want to say, even if it means that I don't agree with you. And that's how our healthy democracy works. And that's how we believe, and the principle on the basis of which we as a party, and even in governance, that we are moving forward. So therefore, let me assure Mr. Pala that he doesn't have to worry about the any kind of cracks in the NPP. I mean, maybe he has to see more of the cracks in Congress, but definitely we are here to work together. But yes, we have our views, we have our opinions. That is natural for any individual. But at the end of the day, we will do what is in the best interest of the party, and more importantly, what is in the best interest of the state. Keep in mind the coming Rajya Sabha elections. We're very clear. It is going to be a democratic process again, and all the party members, all the party MLAs, most importantly, who are going to be the main voters, will sit down and discuss and then decide on how we should move forward.